cheater pain au chocolat. For this easy version of pain au chocolat, you will need 2 sheets of thawed puff pastry, chocolate batons, an egg plus a tablespoon of water, and flour for dusting your work surface. The first step is to unroll your pastry. Lightly flour your work surface and then roll the pastry into a 12-inch square. If the pastry sticks to your rolling pin or to your work surface, just give it another light dusting of flour, but be careful not to use too much flour. You can measure this with a ruler if you like, or just eyeball it. And once your pastry is approximately a 12-inch square and the thickness that you like, go ahead and cut it into 4 3-inch wide strips. Each sheet will be 4 3-inch wide strips. You'll have 8 strips total. I used a pizza cutter, but a sharp knife will work just as well. Next, make your egg wash by beating the egg with 1 tablespoon of water in a small bowl. Next, brush the egg wash on your pastry strips. You don't want it too thick, just enough to moisten each one. And then arrange your chocolate batons or your chocolate chunks on the short end of each strip and roll that pastry up tightly around the stick. I used 3 sticks per pastry, but 2 would be sufficient. If you're using chocolate chips or chocolate chunks, you're gonna have to work a little harder to contain those chunks within the dough, but just be patient. It's not difficult. Place your pastries seam side down on a parchment lined baking sheet and then brush the tops and sides with more egg wash. This egg wash is going to give your pastries a beautiful golden brown color and make them slightly shiny on top. Bake the pastries at 400 degrees for 20 to 25 minutes or until golden brown. Let them cool slightly before serving. I like these with this cup of strong coffee. The pastries will keep in an airtight container for a couple of days. To refresh them, just heat them in a 350-degree oven for about 5 minutes. I hope you enjoyed this video. For more videos and recipes, please visit us at arkansasonline.com/cooking.